We turn now to the latest on the coronavirus here in our state, where we are seeing the highest positivity rate since early June. New numbers show 14,000 more people were tested for the virus. 434 of those tests came back positive. Now that leaves us with a positivity rate of 3%. We also know that 5 more people have died and 217 people are in the hospital this morning. Now, the pandemic continues to impact learning. We're starting to see more cases in schools, including in Southington. The Southington School District is dealing with cases at both the high school and a middle school. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Aya Galal is live right outside the high school this morning now with more on the schedule changes. So what's going to take place?
Nicole, today the Southington High School will be fully remote. Now we know John F. Kennedy Middle School will be remote for at least the next week, and 20 staff members there are quarantining after a positive case at the middle school. With the state's infection rate at 3%, it's no surprise that more schools are dealing with COVID cases. All classes at Southington High School's main campus are remote today as the district works on contact tracing with the local health department. Classes at the John F. Kennedy Middle School will be remote today through October 28th. Timothy Connellan, superintendent of Southington Public Schools, writing in a letter to parents, quote, "The move to temporary remote learning is not our first choice, but it is the necessary choice to ensure the safety of students." And at this point, it's unclear whether it's students or staff members or both who've tested positive. But we do know that for at least today, Southington High School will be remote. Now that could change and it could extend further the remote learning. And both of the schools are being cleaned and disinfected. Live in Southington this morning, Aya Galal, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.